Time to buy some Shiba Inu.
Trolls enforced.
Tolls.
Trolls. There's traffic, bro. It's bike week. Would you rather be here on a Harley or on a dirt bike?
Daytona is meant to be raced between your 20s and 30s on a dirt bike. I'd say 35 and up. Then it's okay to ride a street bike.
Hey, guy! You know this guy, Mr. Nelson. Couldn't get over here.
Your curls look good.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Working hard, you know. It's all natural.
All natural. I didn't even think about it.
Forgot my birthday.
Sorry, Phil.
It's okay, dude. No worries, man.
Okay.
We still love you.
Oh, I know you do.
I got you a Christmas present.
Yeah, it's true, too. Hey, when's Phil's birthday? 4389. Nope, 3489. He's dyslexic.
What are those shoes you're wearing?
Alpargatas, Brazilian. They cost $2 American.
Are they made by children?
In Brazil, maybe. You know, solid workforce down there.
Poor J-Mart. I'm bummed.
Sad. Just sad. Sad for little bro.
Sick scooter, bro.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. You can't go with the green one. You have to go through.
Every year I feel like Daytona track walk, oh, the track looks basic. Then you throw f***ing lines in there, it's gnarly.
I'm gonna boost this wall to here.
Yeah. My joints.
Good luck, Alex.
Thank you, sir. Double? Pop over that tall one somehow. Which I think, I don't know, man. You're gonna, please put on my pit board what the f***'s going on over there.
How you feel, KP?
Hi. We're in Daytona. What's up, boys? How's it going?
Where's the tuna?
Right there.
Oh. Where'd you go?
I was getting this church out.
Chapel.
I was denied for track walk.
There you were.
You guys are only two rookies.
I'm mostly the rookie. You're not the rookie.
Anymore.
Rookie season.
How long have you been racing? 15 years?
It's my 14th season.
Yeah. I was, what, 7 or 8 when you were racing?
Alright, I'm leaving on that note.
Ooh, like the new gear?
Pretty cool. It's pretty neat.
You know what the line's called?
The line?
Like what line of gear it is?
No. It's FXR, size 28, made in Vietnam.
No way.
Yeah, it was made in Vietnam. Podium. It's the Podium Pro LE MX paint.
Let's go.
I get on the podium if you're wearing this stuff.
Yeah.
Podium.
Gotta get on the podium, Cheryl.
Wear the Podium FXR pants, automatic podium.
You too, dude.
Yeah?
Dude, last weekend I like sling this thing on and I f***ing smoked my finger on the ceiling. I hurt like a bitch.
How is your finger? Good?
Dude, it's pretty good. It's healed up a lot in the last week.
Yeah, we need a finger update.
Yeah. Yeah, stitches came out at Minneapolis. Yeah.
Let's see that, baby.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good now. The nail's growing back. The nail, I think it's gonna survive. I don't think it's gonna fall off. Yeah.
So Al's considering nicotine now.
Hey, well, I've been thinking about ordering some nicotine gum. They have like gum.
Like Nicorette?
Yeah. Well, I do it and like get a mouthpiece and like put the gum in the mouthpiece and you just.
Once he got in his mouth, don't worry about it.
He's got a habit he's trying to kick.
Well, but I was thinking about doing it, and Kels was like, "Don't do it. I don't want you getting another addiction."
Wait, what other addictions do you have?
Coffee.
Hey, you're good at that.
How bad, huh?
Yeah.
See you in an hour. Hey there.
To me, I'm on the gas now, way too fast. Never thought that we would crash. Mayday, mayday, I'm calling out. Mayday, on the gas now, way too fast. Never thought that we would crash. Mayday, mayday, I'm calling out. Mayday, we were always so lazy. Gemini, you were always so crazy. Tell me lies, only one that could save me.
Brother, he has
Got hurt. What happened? Dislocated his shoulder.
wow. Where? And
Tuesday.
Minneapolis?
During the week.
Oh,
Practice.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. Right there.
Good luck, Alex. Hey, why isn't anyone talking to Phil? Because he's a dick?
Huh? Like just in general or what?
Yeah. I think it's because he's kind of standoffish and a dick.
I don't know. He has got pretty reliable fans. You know,
Yeah.
they'll come around eventually. No fans over here. They don't want to get yelled at by Phil. Dude,
How do you look unfit right now?
I
You look like you're
almost
dying.
f***ing died.
Of course.
After the finish line, I tried to go like wheel tap 2 over, didn't get the lift, and just boom.
He blitzed all of them.
Oh my God!
Lane
Phil.
Fraud did the same thing, almost died.
Yeah.
Hole.
Did you see that?
I saw that. That was good save, dude.
Sick.
Great reaction time.
I didn't even react. I just clenched. They're in the trash can.
No,
In the lounge.
that would be Mike, probably.
Maybe Phil put him in there.
Phil might have, definitely.
What's happening?
How are you, man?
Can't complain. At Daytona.
Hell yeah. Ryer, what's up, Ryer?
What we got?
Just sitting here with, with Trevor Schmidt. Got the chicken, Italian herb, garlic. Chicken like normal. Going good right now.
Feeding the dogs.
Yep, no, I know Bailey. I miss Bailey.
AP, what year was that when we had that big quad and you crashed? Did you get hurt on? Was that 19? What do you do on that thing? You guys know?
You know how we came off? It was like a ski jump we were tripling off of.
Yeah.
I like cased that, then triple in. My feet came off, and I went off the next tabletop like Superman, and then I just threw my bike down, and I was flying through the air, and I just cased that. I got 3 pictures of it, and just like I cased it, and you can see like where I landed right when my heel broke.
Oh, yeah.
Can I play some lullaby music right now?
You know what I was thinking about? You can if you want. You know where you're telling me to go right and triple in? You could keep it left, a little bit more momentum, quad.
If you want to try it, I'll film it.
I think that you probably could quad it. No, I don't feel like anyone's thought of it yet, though.
You gotta turn it to the left really hard.
Ah.
Until you're gonna break it.
Oh, I should grab goggles before I head on.
Mike is gear?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Little kid's putting his jersey on. One more. Check it out. Put it on all sweaty.
I don't care.
Troll train. Troll train.
Yeah.
Would you wear your jersey all sweaty?
Huh? Oh, I just did.
I know, but you're not you.
Definitely not.
How are we feeling?
Well, we're feeling pretty good. Let's see. We ended up P15 in practice.
Solid.
Definitely wasn't my best practice day, but yeah, we made a few changes. I think we ended up going up a spring rate in the rear on the shock. And actually, believe it or not, like all the years I've been here, I always go softer on my suspension. And we actually stiffened everything up today, which I thought was kind of weird. I don't know. The track seems like there's a lot of like flat landing and like hard landings in general. So I feel like I had to go stiffer with everything, which is definitely not like normal Daytona. And then again, like when you walk the track in the morning, everything seems really basic and easy. And then after hundreds of laps, like a single double is like the hardest single double you've ever hit in your life. So, I mean, all in all, I'm feeling pretty good. Ready for the nitro. That was a good battle with Shane and Vince. Vince is one hard mofo to pass. I probably should have passed him like right away, and then I could have had my own race, but yeah, oh well.
Stay away, maybe.
Yeah, we were in the top 9. That's all that really matters.
What are you doing, man?
Electrolytes, because it's 90 degrees and humid, and collagen protein for the Achilles. Yep. Hey, my joints don't feel good at all, or they feel fine today. Mainly because I've had like 17 scoops of collagen protein.
How do you fix that Achilles? What's the solution?
Yeah, I don't know. Throw in a comment if you got a miracle cure for Achilles tendon.
Think he can go faster?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot faster. He is not so fit. His gloves are so tight. Really get him off. So much sand.
Dude, I couldn't get it started. I was just sitting there holding the button forever and ever and ever. That sucked. I felt good. I smoked that tunnel jump. I smoked the tunnel jump.
Hit the wall.
Yeah. I literally T-boned it. I went over that double and my rear slid out on the face and I got sideways and just boom right in.